Hi, dance class. Hope everything is going well. I miss you guys. What I'm going to be doing is just going over this PowerPoint and slideshow and let you know what our expectations are, what our virtual learning is going to look like, and hopefully answer any questions that you might have. But I'm going to go through everything a little bit at a time and hopefully get everybody on the same page so we can get moving in dance class. All right. First, what we have here is our intro to dance class slide. Second thing, I want to talk about our lesson and kind of what this is going to start looking like. First thing I want you to do, I want you to watch that video, and it's just a little dancing at your house, something to get you motivated to start moving again. I want to check in with everybody, see how you're doing. Are you staying healthy? Are you staying active? What have you been doing to staying active? I want you to write a little bit about that on our reflection questions at the end. Next, we have our schedule. And what our schedule is going to look like is we are going to be looking for assignments on Mondays and Wednesdays. Our class is from 12:30 to 1:15. That doesn't mean you have to actually log on at that time, but I will be posting assignments at 6 a.m. on Monday and Wednesdays. You can do those assignments anytime during the day, anytime that you have some free time, as long as they are done by 11:59 p.m. on the end of that day. So technically our class is scheduled for 12:30 to 1:15. That gives you just time to work on it during that time. Next, I'm going to be posting new dances, like I said, cardio, flexibility, and dance workouts. So you're going to have a variety, not just all dance. You're going to be asked to do 2 reflection questions at the end of that activity. They're 20 points per question, so it's 40 points per day. Each assignment is due by 11:59, like I said, and every Monday and Wednesday, you'll need to have those completed. All right. So again, today, your reflection, since it's day 1 of all of this, doesn't have to be perfectly aligned with the rubric, but we want to have you talking about what your activity you're doing is, how it's making you feel, are you working out? I just want to make sure everybody's able to connect and receive the information in contact. And next week we'll get more in line with our activities that we're doing. From there, next. So your assignment is going to be doing one or both of the dance videos. And basically they're just workout videos. They're just here to get you moving. And then the questions you're going to have are going to be on Google Classroom. And you're going to turn in your assignment from there. And if you have any other questions, just let me know. I will be here for any questions. Hope everybody's staying well. Miss you guys. Wish we were in school. That'd be way better than this. All right. Have a great day and look forward to hearing about your reflection questions. See ya.